What's going on, everybody? Zack Jamasi here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be walking you through how to set your bio up the right way. Now, this is in regards to your Instagram bio, okay, which is located on your profile. Now, my previous video talked about the creation of an Instagram account, and this video is going to focus on your Instagram profile and the bio portion of it, which is at the top section. Okay, now I'm sure you've seen many other videos that make references on the specific structure of a bio, but based off many tests that I've done, this is the best way to do it for realtors. Now, you can also use this for your other businesses, but it converts the most and it converts the best for realtors. Now, if you need to use the bathroom, you need to grab a drink, maybe use or maybe grab a snack, go ahead and do that right now and pause the video, because when you come back, please make sure that you're very focused and that you pay attention, because I'm going to be sharing my screen and walking you through how to do this step by step. Okay, last but not least, guys, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.
YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how you make your Instagram bio the right way. Now, this is geared towards real estate agents. I just want you to understand that, but the structure is applicable to any business account or personal account that you want, okay? Now, without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see on the top left-hand corner here, there's an image of me. So anytime you set up your bio, you want to make sure you have a clear image that primarily focuses on your face, not a full body shot. You want to add a lot of emphasis and focus on your face so that you are remembered when any of your potential clients, right, see you on other social media. Okay, so make sure that you have, a very clear image, and to use the same image essentially on most of your branding, so that people, remember who you are. Okay, that's really important. Now, as you can see, my image is right over here, and underneath there it says Zack Jamasi. That's my name. It says that I'm a real estate agent. It also says that I'm a realtor underneath there in the bio section. It says that I service, residential as well as commercial real estate, and the areas that I service are Toronto, Peel, York, Durham. So let's any type of traffic coming onto your Instagram know the locations that you service. Okay. It says that I work with Remax. This is a brokerage name. A contact. Email address over here, a phone number, and my website. So I want to make sure that this is set up in a way where as soon as somebody lands on it, they know exactly who you are, what you do, and how to get a hold of you. Now, there's also a little contact button here, which I'll dive into very shortly. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the back end so I can show you how this is exactly done. Okay, so let's go to hit edit profile. And once you edit profile, you're going to be able to either upload your video here by clicking change profile photo. So you can tap that and you kind of figure out where to upload that photo from. You could even change the current one. You could take a new photo live. There's many things you can do. I normally just hit, import from Facebook, or just choose from my library. Okay. The second field here is your name, and that's going to be the display name that you want to be displayed on the top where I showed you earlier. Underneath there is your username for your account. Okay, and underneath there is your website. So this is where you go and you type in your website. And your bio over here is, if I'm not mistaken, 150 characters. So you want to make sure you want to keep it under. As you can see at the bottom right-hand corner, right above the keyboard, it says the number 2. And the number 2 represents how many spaces I have left. So if I start typing, that should go to 0. And if I type even more, I won't be able to hit the done button on the top right-hand corner, which means that I have used up all my space and I need to remove some characters. So you want to let people know always who you are. So, are you a real estate agent? Are you a mortgage broker? Like, what is your your field, your title, your specialty? So make sure that you type in this section here, who you are. So I'm a realtor, okay? And I want to let people know the type of real estate I sell. So underneath there, I'm going to write residential and commercial real estate, okay? And underneath there, I'm going to put the areas that I service, such as Toronto, Peel, York, and Durham. And underneath there, I'm going to further elaborate that I'm with Remax, how to get a hold of me via my email, and my phone number right underneath there. Now, I'm sure you've noticed these little emojis here, and emojis are very important because they enable users to stop scrolling as soon as they see an emoji. It's color psychology, and I won't dive into that today. But using emojis are very, very powerful. And if you're not using it, please make sure that you adapt to these trends and start using it, as it helps your Instagram account stand out a lot. Okay, so that's how you set up your bio over here. And if you're wondering how I got these emojis, they're at the bottom left-hand corner. Depending on the device you use, you can go ahead and just select which ones you like and which ones make sense for you. I'm gonna hit done for now. And I'm going to scroll to the bottom over here. Right under page, there's category, and right under category, there's contact options. Now, earlier I showed you a few little buttons that said contact, and this is where you enter the information so that when somebody does hit that contact button, they know how to get a hold of you. Okay. So at the top over here, you see, my email address, which is Zack at theperfectproperty.ca, and underneath there, you see a cell phone number. So those are two ways to get in contact with me. You could also put in your business address here if you'd like. Okay. So once you've populated all those fields, you're going to want to head back to your profile so that you can kind of see what it's all come together to look like. And as you can see here, mine looks great. It's very clear. It's straight to the point. It lets people know how to get a hold of me. If they want to contact me, they can hit the contact button right over here. So they can call me or they can email me. And, these are, the basics, but they're very important. Now, there's a lot of people who are not doing this and who are not utilizing this real estate space, for a better choice of words, right? This space is available to you on your bio. Make it as compelling as possible. Make yourself stand out among the masses. Make it user-friendly and very easy for anybody to get in touch with you. As a realtor, you want new business all the time, right? You want to convert all the traffic into a potential, client, and that starts with, having a storefront, right? Imagine, walking into, a store and it has no sign, it has no, indication of what they sell, right? So, look at this as the same way. Like, who are you? What do you do? And how can I get in touch with you? And that brings me to the end of this training. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please be back for more trainings, more tips, more tricks, more hacks on social media. Thank you guys very much and have a great rest of the day.